Alright folks, we're going to do something else today. And I learned a trick myself today from a gentleman on buck and slug reloaders. If y'all are getting into this and you're really wanting to see this done, folks, you really ought to get by buck and slug reloaders. There's a whole bunch of guys on there that know what they're doing and love this stuff. But what I learned from Tanner today was, on a video of his, I had to try it out before I make a video, make sure. That's two 3.5-inch brand new Fiochis, and that's the crimp on them. And he done it with either a mech, or you can also, I learned today, I done this myself, you can do it on a lead load all. I'm loading up 18 pellet 32 cal loads with 33 grains of long shot in this TP, a 3-inch Fiochi Magnum Prime. I got this load from Wade Rush. He's loading 34 grains of long shot in these 3.5s, but these are Magnum Prime, so I'm dropping the powder charge just a little bit. Me and my son tried these yesterday and they done real good. 18 pellets with an MG42 wad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Now this load with 30, you got a lot of room down in there. But that doesn't mean just throw more buffer to it, guys. You just want to cover up the pellets. You could put a 1/4-inch wad, anything down in the bottom of the wad. You could put a gas seal up under it if you wanted to. What I'm doing is I'm loading it up like that, and then I'm throwing a 1/4-inch cork wad, 12 gauge, right on top of it. That cork will bust right apart when you shoot. Putting a pre-crimp on it, guys. Using the lead load all too. Just starting it. Then I got my Gaep bn-2 tool on there. Turning it on. And I'm gonna finish crimping this thing. And it does a wonderful job, guys. Tapered, the whole 9 yards, 3.5-inch, in a new Fiochi hull. We'll try one more. If you're doing it with MG42 wad over 33 grains of long shot, it'd be probably a little easier with the mech because it's only going to put a certain crimp on it. The lead load all, I have to figure out the touch for it. This is the first time I've done these, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. 18 pellets once again, 32 cal. I'm just putting enough buffer in there to cover up them pellets, guys. I'm not trying to fill up all that extra space in there. More buffer you put, more pressure you're going to have. Just barely covering up the pellets. Drop another 12 gauge cork 1/8-inch wad on top of it. We're going to try it with just very little crimp. Something that time, folks. I screwed it up trying to do it with less crimp. Yep, I messed that one up, folks. Got to make sure I put enough crimp on it. That one will just be chapter 22. Cut it open, redo it, salvage everything out of it, reuse it again. It's probably shootable like it is, but looks like I pushed back too far and I put a little nick in the wad. I mean the hull, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. 18 pellets of 32 cal once again. Alright. 1/8 inch cork wad. Look at that, right? Didn't want to pull down on it this time until I knew I had it right, and I do. $18 pellet, 32 cal. We'll try it one more time. I could just finish the shell off on the lead load all too, but I thought that was kind of neat, the little video he put out about that. That was Tanner Lang. He's also a member over at Bucket Slug. I am, Wade is, Leon Guthrie. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Yeah, I thought that was a pretty nippy little deal. And it sure does make the shell look pretty. Eighth inch cork wad, pre-crimp. Yeah, everybody always tells you can't load 3 inch on these lead load alls. 3.5 inch jibby. Watch this, folks. You think you can't load a 3.5 on a lead load all too? You can still use the Gaep to make it look even prettier. Yep. Generally, that's how I load my 3.5s. Everybody asks me that 3.5s. This is what I load them on. You can load them on a mech. You got to get an adapter kit and all to do them, because the mech does 2 3/4 and 3 inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, my hat's off to you, Tanner. That's pretty neat little trick there. You can finish your, like if you wanted to use your mech to start your pre-crimp or your lead load all, you just start it and just go straight to your mech. I mean, your Gaep bn-2. Then I'll just put a little slight taper on it over here. .5 inch 18 pellet 32 cal, which is basically double all gas. There's another trick for today, though. You seen it? Do the pre-crimp here. You can finish it right up there on your Gaep bn-2, and it does a pretty good job. I mean, it does an excellent job. Oops. Sorry about that, folks. That was one of them I just done with the Gaep and did the fold and just did the rest of it. Looks real good. All right, folks. Till next time. Later.